thank you very much, Lan, for managing your time. I know that you've been a transformation lead doing a lot of work. Thank you very much for pulling your time out, for being here. So, and I'm very happy to have you in Alpha game and be one of our Alpha. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Would you like to share something?
So actually, thank you for giving me a chance to come here and then learning from the sharing from from you and also from the inputs from people there. So
your Pilgrim show was giving some good info. Thank you, buddies.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Let's give a big hand to all these families. Sure. Thank you. So let's give a big hand to these student leaders to bring the training to you. Why don't you give them a big